friends, today I am going to show you how to make samosas. We will start with the stuffing first. For this we need 2 to 3 boiled and grated potatoes, chopped curry leaves and green chillies, chopped coriander. Take a pan on medium-high heat. Put a tablespoon of oil. A quarter teaspoon of black mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of fennugreek seeds and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Put the flame on medium. Now put chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Put the grated potatoes. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of haldi powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, a pinch of black salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add it according to your taste. Mix it well. Now add coriander. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Now we will start with the kneading the dough. To take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Take half a teaspoon of ajwain, mix it. We need warm ghee, that is clarified butter for this. Put 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee. Warm ghee, that is. Mix it well. Press the flour into your palms for 2 to 3 minutes. You can add some more ghee if you need. Now start adding water slowly. The dough should be hard, not soft. keep the dough to rest for 1 hour. The dough should be hard like this. Our dough has rested for 1 hour. Take a small ball, roll it with the rolling pin into a medium-sized circle. Cut the circle into 2 halves. Put the stuffing. Apply some water on the edges so that they get closed properly. Press the stuffing and close it in the form of triangle like this. Press the sides tightly in this way. Take a frying pan with some oil in it. Heat the oil. The oil should be very hot. Put the samosas for frying. Now lower the flame. Fry it till they get brown in color. They are brown. Now collect it in a plate. The samosas are ready to serve. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.